let's practice our sounds. A, A. J, J, like Josue David. O, A, O, O. I, I, E, E. O, or, or. Okay, let's look at the pictures. Rain, rain. Jam. Oak tree. It's an oak with little acorns. A tie. This man has on a tie. Like, also we can say tie my shoes, but this is the tie. A bee. A bumblebee. And a fork. Okay, let's read the words. Rain, rain, rain. Jam, jam. Oak, oak. Tie. Bee. Fork. Boys and girls, when they have it written big like that, there are two letters, but we only make one sound. Remember? Rain. Now what we're going to do is read across. A, rain, rain. Josue. Jam. Bread and jam, please. O. Oak. An oak tree. It's the kind of tree, the kind with acorns, okay? I. Tie. This is a tie. E. The sound is E. Two E's make E. If it's just one, it's like Emily. And if it's two E's, it's E. B. And we have a picture of a bee. The last sound, or. Remember we go E, or, when we learned it. Or, O-R. Fork. Kind of like in horse. We're just going to do fork.